Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crazy for Ride. Today you can see behind of me there are so many greenery. See, it's a beautiful area, beautiful, very beautiful area. And behind me is the Gudda Mane homestay. So we are here today in Chikkamangaluru Gudda Mane homestay. So I can show you the total homestay, how it is and what are the facility they have here. And it is like just from the town some 25 to 30 kilometers away, and it's in between the total cafe planting area. So seriously, it is a very beautiful place. So here it is, you can see it is fully cloudy weather and it is super, it's just drizzling. So this is the homestay where we friends had come for the weekend relaxation. So I can show you the name, Gudda Mane homestay. So come, I'll take you to the inside tour how it is. So this is the entrance. You can see the 4-wheeler parking here. Even if for the 2-wheeler parking also there's enough area. Hey, see the beast and beauty. There are our bikes where we parked here, and you can see the full area is covered with full of trees. So just I'm taking you full around the homestay, how it is. So now we are going to enter the actual homestay. Here it is, the beautiful homestay. You can hear the birds are crackling, the beautiful nature's voice. Actually they are welcoming us. Come to the nature, see the beauty of the nature and be relaxed. So they maintain the garden very nicely. So you can see the cottages. It is so beautiful. So this is the way we came from the main gate. This is our room where we are staying. They have a nice facility for fire camping also. You can see the beautiful place which is in between the coffee plantation area. There are some space where you can go and take relax, enjoy the beauty of the nature. So usually we used to listen so many type of songs, pop, jazz, classical, but here you can see there is only one song of the nature. how is the nature is playing for us to enjoy and relax. So for the kids, they can enjoy here. Seriously, I can't tell you in words how beautiful this place is. So there are so many different types of rooms for the family, for the bachelors. So you can see the homes, how beautiful they made it. And the gardening. Seriously, I loved it. Here it is like you will get the food facility also. So there are some 2-3 packages are available. So which will be explained by the homestay owner. So I'll just take you to him and I'll just introduce him. So he can tell you about the how the place and what are the facility they have here, and nearby the places where you can able to go and visit. So they will guide you about that. So friends, I'm just going to take you the owner of the Gudamane homestay. He's Mr. Sam. He's with us. So he's the man.
Hi guys.
So
welcome to Gudamane homestay. So this is our property. It is owned by our family, and currently I'm the 4th generation who's running this property. So this property is 24 kilometers from Chikmagalur. It's in the midst of coffee plantation. There's plenty of places in and around where you can relax, unwind, go into the plantation for hikes, and you can contact me to book this property. My contact number is 9900100241.
So friends, I'll share his number in my description. And just Sam, I just want to ask you, like, what are the facility actually you have in a homestay, and how people will find out, how it will be easier to them to find out the homestay in between the Chikmagalur out of the town.
So our property is on Google Maps. You can just search for Gudamane homestay and it will show you the pinpoint, the location of the property. We also have our website which is gudamane.com, which you can go and check on all the photos. So coming to the facilities at our property, we've got about 1.5 acre open spaces where you can play badminton, throw ball, football, and also the lawn area which is on top. It gives a sense of feel where you can go relax. When it's not raining, you can just put in a bed sheet and have like a picnic. And we also serve home cooked meals. We serve Malnad cuisine. So my mother takes care of the kitchen and she makes sure everything is up to mark. We prepare both veg and non-veg based on our guest requirements.
So Sam, just I want to know about that. Like which time will be very suitable to visit this place?
See, Chikmagalur on the whole, there are different seasons where you can visit. Again, it depends on the person's liking. So right now we are in the rainy season. It keeps drizzling throughout. So June, July, August is our rainy season. So if you like the drizzly weather, the cool, misty, this is the time where you can visit in. Usually September, the rainy season wears off and the rains decrease. So October, November, December is our winter season. It's quite chilly during that time, and that is when we harvest our coffee as well. That is November mid to January mid, we harvest a coffee. So if you like to see how it is harvested, that is a good time to visit. And then coming on Feb, March, April, it's kind of dry. You have the transition between winter to summer. So again, it pertains to one's liking as to what weather they're looking for. Summer, usually it is cooler compared to Bangalore. But yeah, off late, the temperatures have been hitting to 30-32 degrees. So again, it's in between the plantations where you can relax and unwind. And it is cooler and calmer compared to the concrete jungle, which is Bangalore.
So friends, as you know, Sam explained us so many things about this homestay, which is actually so beautiful. And from our busy life, we can come out and we can chill out here. And as he told, there's so many facilities they are offering from their side. So actually, this is very beautiful in between the forest area. You can feel like you are in the full of the greenery, with full of the pure oxygen you are taking, and you can chill out with your whatever playing activities. So thanks Sam once again. And if anything you want to know about this homestay, I'll put his number in my description. So please contact him and please visit the place, because as it is beautiful, you have to see in your own eyes. Thank you Sam for this nice talk.
Sure,
and
sure.
thank you
guys
again.
Have a wonderful stay.
Yeah, thank you.